Facebook ads are and the different types of Facebook ads. Here's a step-by-step guide for beginners on what Facebook ads are and the different types of Facebook ads. Step 1. Understand Facebook ads. 1. Facebook ads are paid promotional content displayed on the Facebook platform to reach a specific target audience. 2. These ads can appear in various formats and locations on both Facebook and Instagram. Step 2. Types of Facebook ads. 1. Image ads. Image ads are single images that appear in users' news feeds or on the right-hand column of the desktop version. How to create. 1. Choose an engaging image that represents your product or service. 2. Write compelling ad copy to convey your message effectively. 3. Add a call to action button that directs users to your desired destination. 4. Ensure the image adheres to Facebook's ad guidelines and text limits. 2. Video ads. Video ads are short video clips that autoplay in users' news feeds or stories. How to create. 1. Create an engaging video showcasing your product, service, or brand story. 2. Keep the video concise and captivating to grab users' attention. 3. Add subtitles to accommodate viewers who watch videos without sound. 4. Optimize videos for both mobile and desktop viewing. 3. Carousel ads. Carousel ads display multiple images or videos in a single ad, with each image having its own headline, description, and call to action. How to create. 1. Choose a series of images or videos that tell a story or showcase different products. 2. Add a unique headline, description, and link for each image or video. 3. Use a compelling call to action to encourage users to interact with the carousel. 4. Use a cohesive theme or story that flows through the carousel. 4. Slideshow ads. Slideshow ads are a series of images or short videos that play in a slideshow format. How to create. 1. Choose a set of images or videos that highlight your product or service. 2. Arrange them in a sequence to create a compelling slideshow. 3. Add text and music to enhance the visual experience. 4. Choose high-quality images that convey your message effectively. 5. Collection ads. Collection ads are designed for mobile devices and allow users to browse a variety of products within the ad. How to create. 1. Select a main image or video that represents your collection. 2. Add multiple product images below the main image. 3. Link each product to its respective landing page for easy shopping. 4. Ensure the landing pages provide a seamless shopping experience. 6. Instant Experience, formerly Canvas, ads. Instant Experience ads provide an immersive, full-screen experience for mobile users. How to create. 1. Design an interactive and engaging experience using images, videos, and carousels. 2. Incorporate features like tilt-to-pan images and interactive elements. 3. Include a clear call to action to guide users toward your desired action. 4. Ensure the ad is mobile-friendly and loads quickly. 7. Lead generation ads. Lead generation ads allow users to submit their contact information directly within the ad. How to create. 1. Design a lead form with fields for users to enter their details. 2. Add a compelling headline and description explaining the value of sharing their information. 3. Set up an autoresponder email to follow up with leads. 4. Keep the form fields minimal to reduce friction. 8. Dynamic ads. Dynamic ads automatically display products or services based on users' past interactions with your website or app. How to create. 1. Set up a product catalog on Facebook Business Manager. 2. Create an ad template and specify dynamic elements like product images and descriptions. 3. Facebook automatically populates the ad with relevant content for each user. 4. Test different ad creative and formats to maximize relevance. Conclusion. Understanding the different types of Facebook ads allows you to choose the most suitable format for your campaign goals. By selecting the right ad type and crafting compelling content, you can effectively reach your target audience and achieve your marketing objectives on the Facebook platform.